Mom, can I finish
Hi, everybody.
yours?
These are the answers from number corner, page 31. We're finally done with them. We'll never look at again, right? So on this side, you can see there are three linear units. And down here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the beetle's going to travel all the way around. The beetle's going to travel the 6 plus 3 plus another 6 plus 3. And I know that 6 plus 3 is 9 times 2. So that should be, whoops, I'm sorry, you can't see. 9 times 2 is 18. So the beetle's walking 18 units around. So the answer to 1A is 18. And then 1B, the area for this, you could count the squares inside, or you could just simply multiply the 6 times the 3. So the area for number 2 is 6 times 3 equals 18, and that would be units squared. This would be units. I told you don't worry about the units for the Google form, which is unlike me, but that's fine. Okay, so the perimeter of 2A, so I'm going to count down here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 units here, and there are 1, 2 units here. So again, for the perimeter, we're going to walk around this 9 and 2 and 9 more and 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11 times 2 equals 22 units. So the answer for 2A is 22 units, but you don't have to write units in your answer. And the area then would be 9 times 2, which is 18 units squared. Okay, so for 3A, this is a long, skinny rectangle. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, can you still see? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 units here, plus 1 more unit here. So that's going to be 18 here, plus 1, plus another 1. So I'm going to count 18, 19, 20. So the 20 plus another 18 is going to be 38 units for the perimeter. And then for the area, if you multiply the 18 times the 1, that gives you 18 units squared. Now again, with area, if you prefer, you can just count the square units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You can always just count them. Same thing here. If you counted all these, you would get 18. And then they wanted you to plot in, and you didn't have to put this on the Google form, but they wanted you to put in the perimeter for rectangle 1 in here, which was 18. And the area was 18 for number 1. For number 2, the perimeter was 22, and the area was 18. And for number 3, the perimeter was 38, and the area, again, was 18. So even though all 3 of these rectangles had the same area, they all had 18 square units inside, they were arranged very differently, they looked very different, and their perimeter was very different. Okay, so if I were going to write something here, I would write they all have the same area, but different perimeter. Okay, so for your work for Friday, and then you have a whole weekend free, and by the way, you guys aren't watching my videos very much, because like I think one of them had 7 views. 7? I have 40-something kids. 7 views, and I bet that was my mom. That probably was my mom and my husband and my kids. Just kidding. So I want you to watch these videos, and today I'm going to make sure you're watching them because I'm evil, and I'm going to ask you questions in the video that you have to watch the video to get the questions, or you won't be able to know what they are. So here are your questions. You're welcome. You've met me. Okay, so for your Google form for Friday, I want you to tell me number 1. Here's shape number 1. These are going to be gorgeous because I'm creating these as we go along here. So for number 1, I want you to tell me what is the perimeter for this shape. Number 2, I want you to tell me what is the area for that shape. Number 3, I'm going to draw a different shape. This is going to be a little bit, this is going to be crazy, kids. I'm feeling crazy. Well, not all that crazy. Sometimes crazy. This being quarantined sometimes makes you feel a little crazy. Especially when students that you know and love and are making these videos for don't watch your videos. What the heck is that all about, 3rd grade? Okay, so this one's going to be a little trickier because as you can see, I'm adding a little bit of another shape onto this side. So for this guy, you're going to have to tell me for number 3 what the perimeter is, and for number 4 what the area of this shape is. Now, you're going to have to make sure you count all the linear units here all the way around for your perimeter. And again, area is a little bit easier because you can just count the square units inside. So see if you can get that one right. On your Google form, you do not have to worry about the labels. I know, I think I may have gone crazy. It's just easier to make a form for you without the labels. And over the weekend, I'm going to check our precipitation gauge. It's dark outside now. This is Thursday night. I'm taping this. So we'll take another look at our precipitation gauge and our Beaufort scale next week, since only 7 of you viewed that. Did I mention that already? 7 kids. 7. All right. Anyway, I hope you're doing really well. Take care, stay healthy, and I will see you hopefully sometime soon. Bye.